till the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. And I'll be taking you through on how I go purchase my new laptop. Okay, I'm getting a new laptop. Okay, a brief background story, right? This laptop behind me, my HP laptop, I've been using it for like the longest time. It has really served me. However, I've had major challenges using it. One of them is the battery. Like, the battery is dead. If it's not connected to electricity, it just trips off anytime it likes. Like, this laptop literally tells me when to work. It controls me. It tells me when to work and when to stop working. Okay, secondly, it makes a lot of noise, and these noises actually affect my voiceovers. If you check some of my previous videos where I did voiceovers, you will hear those noise, you know. So like, if I want to get a clear voiceover, if you know the process I go through to get it, man, it's so much work. So and at the end of the day, I still don't get that clear voiceover. Another one, yeah, there are lots of applications that I really admire, and you know, when I'm excited about it, I just like, oh, let me jump on it and download it on my laptop, but it keeps telling me different English that I'm not even ready to speak. Okay. And you know, so many issues here and there, and although it still serves me, but it's kind of like limits me, because there are a lot of things that I want to do that I really can't do with the laptop. My husband was like, you know what, you're due for an upgrade, and so we're gonna get you a new laptop. Are you serious? So let's just set you up well. And because of the kind of workload we have ahead of us, he was like, this your beloved laptop will not cut it, so we just needed to get a better laptop. And what better way to upgrade? You know, I've never been a fan of MacBook, and that's just because sometimes when I try to even use my husband's laptop, I'm like, this laptop is so complicated. I guess it's because I'm really used to Windows. So I'm officially been inducted to the Apple Kingdom, or to the Apple Nation. We're still contemplating MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. I'm not quite sure yet. So we're gonna do this shopping together. You know what I'm saying? And we'll be getting it from Apple Store in Emirates Mall. So before you get to the store, you need to book an appointment. We already did that. So, and we're scheduled for 2 p.m. So it's almost 2 and not too far from here. So we'll just hit the road now, right? MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, guys, let me know what you think about these two laptops and which one you think I should go with. So whichever one we end up getting, I'll give you a brief review on how it works and how I'm enjoying it. And I'm sure by the time I'll be recording the review, I should have used it a little bit to know one or two about my new laptop. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that like button if you like this video. Let's go.
Bathing in the light that you share, you like the sun. Who am I to think how it'd be if you were mine? I've been walking with my shades on for so long, I can't seem to get them back on. 'Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming, blasting my stereo. I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song.
Right, so we're at Emirates Mall now, moving to Apple Store. Yes, here we are in Apple Store. Okay, so we are in Apple Store now, and so she's just showing us the different features and their prices. This is the MacBook Air. And this is the MacBook Pro, but I'm now in a fix because I don't know which one to go for. Both of them have the M1 chip and they are both good. We realized that the MacBook Pro has an active cooling system. This allows it to sustain its pro performance when ripping through intense workload. So, and I know that I'm going to be doing a lot of heavy work on the laptop, so you know, it was like the best bet, so we decided to go with the Pro instead. Okay, so all done. Yay, we're going home with my laptop. Yes. And we are home. Let me do my victory dance. Alright, so first things first, we're in COVID-19 era. Go dispose the mask and wash my hands. Okay, and I'm back. So it's time to unbox. Alright, so here we are unboxing. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god. I had to give it a kiss. Oh my god. And these are the things, the accessories, like nothing much, just the charger, the adapter, and that was it. Yeah, so once it's fixed, here's how it looks like. And these stickers and also, yeah. So here's my new laptop. Oh my god. Woo. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so he's setting me up with everything and we're done. So here am I exploring my new laptop. Man, this laptop is so sleek and it's so sweet, honestly. Another thing, I decided to go with the English Arabic keyboard because I'm learning Arabic and I thought that the keyboard could, you know, help my learning process. Okay, so I've been using this laptop for like 3 days now, and one of the major features that I really absolutely love is the fact that it is the most silent laptop I've ever seen. Like, it is quiet, more like no noise, like I can't hear anything. Alright, let's just start with the reviews. First off, we're going to start with the physical features. So it takes about 10 seconds or less to boot. So you can just type in your password or use the fingerprint. During the setup, we already set all that up, so it's easy to just tap and the laptop comes on, just like you use your fingerprint to open your phone, and also it's also the same with the laptop. So the touchpad on this MacBook is very spacious and highly responsive. Alright, so I found scrolling, pinching to zoom in and out, you know, and performing various gestures intuitive and very smooth. Another thing that I really love is the touchpad right here. It is mind-blowing. So I tried to use the Final Cut Pro, which I'm having a hard time trying to get, but I know I'll get it, and trust me, I will get it to the point that I'll even come and do a tutorial about it. So I'm still trying to figure it out, but I found out some very interesting things while I was on it yesterday. Like, there are some major shortcuts on the touchpad that you can use on Final Cut Pro. And that has been really helpful through my learning process on Final Cut Pro. Also, another interesting part of this touchpad is yesterday I was trying to do some things on the notepad. I was trying to jot some notes down, and I realized that just like on the phone when you're trying to send a message and then you get those auto corrections. And I just discovered that, yeah, and that's so cool. I know I'm acting like a village girl, just leave me please. Communicate. Right, look at it right there. You see those auto corrections right there, so you can just select from any one of them. See this one or this one. See, it gives you, like, it's so cool. I'm in love with this one. I hear a lot of people say that they don't really use the touch bar. Trust me, I will be using it a whole lot. You know, I barely use my laptop to respond to chats and comments on my YouTube channel, but that's because I like to use emojis a lot and I don't get to use varieties. But on this, I can use my emojis on my laptop and it's just amazing. Just look at that. Oh my god. Man, I'm a huge fan of this touch bar, like seriously. Another thing is the battery life. Since the day I bought this laptop, I charged it to 100%, and since then till today I've been using it without I've not charged it since then. And look at the back, look at the level of the battery. The battery life is super amazing. It delivers up to 20 hours of active usage on just a single charge. Like, this is the longest battery life ever in a MacBook. So it has a studio quality inbuilt microphone with an improved signal to noise ratio. I used it to record this cover without an external mic to test, and here was the result.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
With no external mic whatsoever, and the speaker is also really good. So the port selection is very slim with just 2 Thunderbolt USB ports on the left side and a headphone on the right side. The webcam is amazing. Even with very little ambient light, the camera captures a much brighter and clearer shot on my face. So one challenge I'm sure going to face is, you know, transferring files from my laptop or from my phone or from my camera. So we got this extension which would make life a lot easier. You know, it has like 3 USB ports and memory card ports and memory card slots, you get. So it just makes it a lot easier and it just fits perfectly. And that's it right there. Now let's talk about the Magic Keyboard. Typing on the Magic Keyboard feels pillowy soft compared to the older butterfly layout I'm used to. Like, you will hear no sound, no everything is just silent, it's quiet, as if I'm not working on a laptop. Like, I don't understand. It's so amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that like button if you like this video.
Oh, I'll never let you slip away.